Hi, today for the Redmi A1 Plus, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first we should launch the Gmail application. And then tap on the right upper corner. So now just to log out from Gmail account in Gmail application, we should log out from Google accounts on our device, and to do that we should click to manage accounts on this device, tap to Google account and click to more, then tap to remove account again. And now with Google account settings we successfully log out from the Gmail app. So let's go back to the application, let's just refresh it. And we can see that we also successfully log out from Gmail account in Gmail application. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.